Hi there friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today we are going to be trying out this Caydo bead spinner, and as you can see it comes with a long needle that we can use to thread our beads. Also it comes with elastic, and you can see with the unboxing that I did, I'm going to be using black elastic because my beads are dark, and also it came with some beads. So we are going to cut a piece of elastic and we are going to pass it through the needle. Then as you can see, this is the button. It comes with 3 beads and I'm gonna put it in 2. And I select these beads because a lot of them are damaged, and I wanted you to see how with this bead spinner we can select the beads easily, because since they're turning we can see the ones that are damaged and get them out. Also, as you can see, some of the beads are going back, but this has nothing to do with the bead spinner. It's more my table, it's not label. As you can see right here, I can see the beads that are damaged and I can just take them off. I really like this bead spinner. It helps me when beads that are difficult. Also, like in this video, I struggle a little bit to put the needle through, but it's because some of the beads are not perfectly round. But if they're perfectly round, you will not have any issues. The other feature that I love about this, it has the measurements, so you can easily see when you are done threading your beads. Now it's super easy. We're just gonna pull out the needle and all our beads are gonna stay in the elastic, and it's super fast and easy to use. So you can have your bracelets finished in minutes. So right now all we had to do is we're gonna stretch a little bit our elastic, and then we are going to make a knot. So I have other videos on how to make knots for the elastic bracelets. So right now you can just follow along and finish your bracelet. So it's very simple, and I'm gonna show you really quick to make another bracelet with the beads that came with this bead spinner. If you are interested in buying this bead spinner, don't forget to visit Caydo, and the links are going to be in the description box. I always like to use this hypo cement when I'm making bracelets. And don't forget to visit the website. I'm going to leave the links on the description box. I hope you find this tutorial informative. Until next time, thank you.